Have you been thinking about starting a business, but honestly have no idea where to begin? Maybe you already have an idea, or maybe you just know that you want more freedom, more purpose, or something of your own. But every time you try to figure it out, you end up overwhelmed. Because suddenly it feels like there are a million things that you need to know. Business licenses, websites, payment systems, insurance, booking platforms, social media, branding. And then on top of all of that, the internet starts telling you that you need a business coach and that you need to spend $10,000 on a program to get the perfect logo, the perfect website, the perfect brand, and everything figured out before you even start. So most people do nothing, not because they aren't capable, because they're completely overwhelmed. And I get that. That was me. Especially if you're already working full-time, maybe raising a family, trying to take care of everyone else, and barely have enough energy at the end of the day to take care of yourself. The thought of trying to figure out how to start a business feels impossible. So instead, the idea just sits there for months, sometimes years. Not because you don't want it badly enough, but because there's no clear path laid out for you. And that's why I created the Just Start method and, coming soon, the Start Your Business Today online module. I'm a former nurse turned entrepreneur, and over the years I've built businesses in beauty, wellness, and education. And I know what it feels like to want something more while also feeling completely stuck on where to begin. This module was created to simplify the process and help you finally take action. No fluff, no fake become a millionaire in 30-day promises, just practical, realistic guidance to help you actually start your business. I created this to save you time, stress, confusion, and all of the endless Googling that comes with trying to piece everything together on your own. Inside the module, I walk you through the foundational steps of getting started in a way that feels manageable and clear. Everything is laid out step by step so you know exactly what to take action on and in what order to take it. And the best part is, you could realistically have your business set up in less than a week. Of course, you can move at your own pace, but this is not something that needs to drag on for months or years before you begin. I also intentionally made this affordable because I truly believe that when you're starting a business, you should not feel pressured to spend thousands of dollars just to begin. That's why the module will start at $297. I wanted this to feel accessible, realistic, and supportive because honestly, there is nothing more that I love than helping women finally stop overthinking and build something of their own. Because the truth is, most successful businesses don't start perfectly. They start with someone finally deciding to take the first step. And if you want additional support after completing the module, there's also the option to book a one-on-one session with me as you need. You don't need to have everything figured out to begin. You need to just start. And if this sounds like exactly what you've been needing, you can book a 30-minute phone call with me to talk it through and see if this is actually the right fit for you. Or if you're still not sure where you're at, take my 2-minute quiz to find out if you're actually ready to take action and start your business. But either way, please don't stay stuck. Just start.